What's up, y'all? It's GlovRR. We back in the building with another video. So here we got the 2018 CBR1000RR. I'm pretty much completely done with the mods that I'm gonna do to her so far. I did the exhaust in the previous video, did the levers, so I'm almost done doing mods to her so far. But today we're gonna do the windscreen, and I have a Puig racing windscreen that we're gonna put on her, the smoke black. So I think it's gonna look pretty good, but we're gonna change that today, so stay tuned.
And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
I feel like I wrote this from a personal place or something.
And all I wanna be is true.
Let's make it count though, for real. Yeah.
And all I wanna be is
Swear my dreams are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a war. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these, I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along, whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk the sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough, that man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye. Still paid a visit to his mom.
I still care regardless
I
of
still
whatever
paid
it
a
is.
visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage.
Alright, y'all, so here's the Puig windscreen that we got. So it's smoke black. So here we go. Pretty good. So we're gonna keep that in the plastic for now. So first thing we're gonna need is your T20 attachment for these 4 bolts right here that we're gonna unscrew. Unscrew these 4 bolts and then we're gonna go from there. So after you unscrew everything, it's gonna look like this. So now what we're gonna have to do is kind of pull this fairing. Be very careful. You're gonna have to pull this fairing a little bit and disconnect the windscreen from underneath this little plastic piece. Do the other side. And now you should be able to pull it out. Alright, so now we got both of our windscreens right here. So now next thing we're gonna do is take these little rubber pieces out. Actually, this one's only has 4 openings and this one has 6 openings, so I don't even need these bottom 2. So the 2 rubber things that's in here are still on the bike. These little rubber things right here, you have to take off and connect right here, put on your new windscreen. So I would just pull from the bottom. and go in from the bottom as well. So start at the bottom and kind of push it in. Just like that. Do the other side. Pull it out from the bottom. And go in from the bottom. Just like that. So like I said, the middle two rubber pieces are still on the bike. So all I gotta do is go line this up and screw everything back in place. Alright, so I got my Puig windscreen. I'm gonna have to, again, just like we did taking the last windscreen out, we're gonna have to kind of stretch this fairing a little bit as we line it up. All right, perfect. Now all we got to do is screw everything back in. All right, y'all, so here we are, finished up everything. I think she looks pretty good. This windscreen is a little higher too, by the way, so I'm sure I'll get some good wind coverage on the highway. And I'll include the link for this Puig rescreen in the description. I'll include the link for you guys so you can get it. So all right, man, give me a thumbs up, give me a like.